Hey, Dora, that sounds like animals in trouble.
Dora, boo!
But I don't see them, Dora. Hey, Dora, that sounds like animals in trouble.
Dora, boo!
But I don't see them, Dora.
Gee, I guess we haven't any. Gosh, I haven't any. I better be going. How do you get to the Castle of Names? Look, we have names. Yours is Raggedy Ann. Mine is Andy.
I'm on my way at last. Father who loves me better than anything, to Mars, Dad. Right, Dad. And farewell to you, Earth Father. Yes, dear old Dad. It won't hurt a bit.
Joe!
Keep your wig warm, Dad. I'll be back. Double sarsaparilla of soda, Mr. Quick Draw. And firewood for the fireplace.
It won't.
I'm going as the longest dachshund in the world. Going duck hunting, Mr. Quick Draw. Right. Come on, Daddy Ball.
Come in,
It never misses, Quick Draw. Watch. Yes, dear old incarcerated Dad, but he wouldn't believe it. So, I brought you a lawyer.